Good afternoon. Welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial deals of parts, and today we would like to share with you our inject nozzle. Now let's see. Product name, inject nozzle, logo, and quantity 10 pieces. Product code DLLA154P881. Applicable inject number 09500062990. Support customized service. Inside like this one. On the surface, you will see the logo and the product code is DLLA154P881. Nozzle needle inside. About warranty time is 6 months. So much for this one and last. I hope you can have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye.